Welcome to You're in the Kitchen with Adam. I'm Adam, and you're in my kitchen. It's been a trying time these past few weeks with the lockdown for coronavirus. So I wanted to use this time to share a couple things that I do to spice up my kitchen life. So today, for lunch, I'm just going to make myself a nice turkey sandwich. Nothing crazy. Pretty bland if you ask me. A little turkey, a little lettuce, a little tomato. Most people think I'm going to put mustard, maybe mayonnaise. I'm here to tell you, you don't have to choose. You do both. I like to call this Adam's secret aioli. Now, know what you're thinking. Aioli is this huge process, and it could be. But today, we have two ingredients, Duke's mayonnaise, and a little French's spicy brown. Delicious. Now, the secret to making a good aioli is not giving a fuck. So, for instance, you might want to say, how many spoonfuls of this? I don't really care. I'm just going to throw a couple in here. Not scientific, just figure out how much you might want on your sandwich. This is probably too much. I don't care. But it's good to know. You know, we're gonna zip this fucking sandwich into shape, right? All right. So, here we go. Now we have the spicy brown. Again, I really don't even care. It's non-scientific, folks. This is just to add a little zing to your mayonnaise. So you can call it an aioli. Oh, no. Well, whatever. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Now, I'm going to take my spoon here. I'm just going to stir it, you know. And the secret, I think, to a good aioli is you don't want to understir. Because then it's just mayonnaise with clumps. You don't want clumps, you know. And it's not that mustard really clumps that easily, you know. I've never really seen mustard get all that clumpy. It's still better if you really get in there with it, you know. You make yourself a good looking spread, you know. And I'd say give this about, 10 minutes of stirring at least. Some people are overachievers. They're going to want to go 20 minutes. If you want to go 20 minutes, that's your prerogative. I don't care. But at least 10 minutes, you know. I'm going to set a timer, maybe put on like 3 or 4 of your favorite songs, or one if you're a Fish fan. And just stir the shit out of that. Just stir it. Just get that good. And yeah. All right. Oh. So you really want to dig in on the sounds too, you know? Like, people forget that eating is more than one sense. You know, you want to see it, you want to smell it, you want to taste it, you want to hear it too. Yeah. Just keep stirring, you know, 10 minutes, it sounds like a short time, you know, like if you're waiting at the DMV, that's no problem. When you're stirring a little bit of mayonnaise with mustard in it and making homemade aioli out of 2 ingredients, you know, 10 minutes is a long time. You don't want to shortchange this, you know, you want this to be like, kind of on its way to like souffle texture, you know. Just get in there, just, you know, take your time, you know. Just take your time. Really soak in the experience of stirring. You know, it's this is also good for hand exercises. A lot of people, you know, they're not working, they're at home, their hands are getting a little cramped up. This is make an aioli. Just make 1 aioli a day, and each day switch hands. You know, if you're on your right hand today, make tomorrow's aioli a left-handed aioli. You know, I think you might be able to taste that. I've had plenty of left-handed aiolis, and to be honest, I'll answer the question on everyone's minds. You can't really tell the difference in taste between a left-handed aioli and a right-handed aioli. They're very similar. There might be a textural issue, you know, if your left hand's not your dominant hand, there's a chance that your right-handed aioli is going to be a little smoother, a little fluffier. But, you know, don't let it stop you. If you're left-handed, go in on your left hand. The first day, just right to the left hand. You know, these are not hard and fast rules. You do not have to start with your right hand. You can go left-handed. You know, and you just keep that going. Just keep it going. You can look at it. You can look away. You know, if you can do a no look, can you do a no look stir? I don't think you can. Challenge number 2 today. You know, make the aioli. Challenge number 2 is stir it. Challenge number 3, well, I fucked it up. Really, making the aioli is stirring it. It's true. So challenge number 2 is, can you do a look away? Can you do a look away stir? Can you do a look away stir? I'm going to do a look away stir right now. Oh my gosh. I bet I'm not even getting any on my shirt. I am just crushing this aioli challenge. So, yeah, there's probably about 4 minutes left, maybe 5. I haven't actually looked at the clock. I'm going to go ahead and say, you know, we're closing in there. I'm going to get the full 10-minute effect, though, you know. I'm just going to keep stirring. You know, once you think that it doesn't look exactly like the mayonnaise you started with, I think you're, you know, pretty good. You know, you want to get in there, really get in there on the sides, you know, really clean the sides. That's a technique. You want to clean the sides, you know, just really clean them. And, don't taste it, just trust it. Just trust it, all right? Put it on your sandwich. Have a good day. Thank you so much. These have been kitchen things, learning how to make an aioli with Adam in Adam's kitchen.